Part 2. What we found? Rain tells that I descend to lave the draughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe. It's right. After the summer, the whole world is purged with thirst, and rain comes. Without rain, the earth cannot live that time. So, it's a harbinger of goodness. And all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. And all that in them. There is a famous poem by P.B. Shelley, Percy Bysshe Shelley, Ode to West Wind, where we find that in autumn the seeds fall on the ground and it stays over there just like dead thing. Then late autumn, then the winter, then the spring, then the summer. But still those seeds fell on the ground only. When rain comes, the rain germinates those seeds. The seeds were full of vivacity, full of life, but without rain, the latent power cannot be come out. So, rain is that catalyst which transmute the latent power, the possibilities into realities. Rain is just like the teachers who transmute your possibility into reality. Rain is that catalyst. God gives life. Rain revives them, relives them. That's why he has that heavenly touch. He is the demigod. That's what is told. All that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin. Yes, rain is not ungrateful. Day and night, rain works and make pure and beautify it. Rain initiates from the earth and it comes down to the earth and make pure and beautify it. There is another beautiful poem of rain. The name is The Song of the Rain by Khalil Gibran. There, rain told that he adorned the earth. The earth became greener with rain. And you find the last two lines, these are in bracket. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, raked or unraked, duly with love returns. This is told about music and these two lines are in bracket. Why? Because music doesn't have the direct contact with rain. So it is in bracket, these two lines are in bracket. But what is music? Sound. Sound in our Hindu mythology called Nad, Shabda Brahma. It doesn't have any end. So after the initiation of sound, it also in the earth, on this world, in this globe, it retains, just like rain. That's why the last lines are in bracket, as they have no direct communication. This is the poem. Go through it properly. And students, one thing I want to tell you, that our half-yearly syllabus is completed. We two teachers, Madam Ramila Poddar and I, Arpan Datta, have completed your syllabus. I just want to recapitulate what the syllabus is there. The Portrait of Lady, a photograph, We Are Not Afraid to Die, Discovering Truth, Landscape of the Soul, The Voice of the Rain, The Ailing Planet. These are from the Hornbill, and from Snapshot we have done Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, Address, and Albert Einstein at School. All these chapters are completed on behalf of we two teachers, and we four teachers, apart from these two, Madam Shuchandra Bhadradas and Madam Nupur Ghosh, we have done the grammatical part, writing part also. So, best of luck for your ensuing half yearly exam.